Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to check connected devices to your ACER X6E Connect router using admin panel. So first, of course, you should open ACER admin panel. If you don't know how to do that, how to check the admin password, you should watch my video about it, how to log into admin panel. You can find it here, right here on the right top corner. So let's log in. So firstly, we should open web browser, enter our IP address, so IP address of our router, of course, and click login. And here we will see our ACER Connect X6E admin panel. And here, as you can see, we have the dashboard. This is the first tab in the main tab of our router settings. So just scroll down, and here you will see connected devices. So click on this icon, and here, as you can see, we have connected devices. So this is the one device, and as you can see, there is no way to block it, for example. It's all because it's connected by the cable, so we can't connect devices connected by the cable from this menu. Of course, we can do that from other menu. You can check it in the video how to block connected devices, but in my case, for example, as you can see, there is an iPhone connected to this network and I can block it. Okay, that's it. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye. See you.